Multiples, what are they? Well, first let's talk about what we know. We know that a factor times a factor is called a product. But a product is also called a multiple. So if you had 1, 3, then you have one group of 3, or 1 times 3, which is 3. But if you have 2 3's, then you have 2 groups of 3. That's 2 times 3, and the product is 6. So the multiple would be 6. If you had another 3, then you have 3 groups of 3. 3 times 3, and your product would be 9. So 3, 6, 9 are the products of 3. So they are also known as the multiples of 3, because it means you have multiples 3's.